Hey, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Now today is going to be a quick video on how to make a good boiled egg. A boiled egg that does not give you issues, meaning like getting that shell off is nice and simple and you don't have to worry about making deviled eggs and them looking lumpy and bumpy and not smooth because the shells are sticking and you can't get them off. So first of all, you want to start off with some cool water and you want to put your eggs inside of the actual water. And I'm doing that now. So we got our eggs. I'm gonna put our eggs in the water. And then what you wanna do is add some salt. I like to add sea salt. This is what helps the egg retract from the shell. So I'm gonna put a couple turns. If you had to measure, that'd be about a good half a teaspoon. And then you boil your eggs. Make sure the water is cool, not warm. You boil your eggs and we'll be back once it starts to boil. All right, guys, that's what you're going to be looking for. You want it to be rumbling and rolling, boiling like that. That's why I said put cold water. If you put cold water, you know for sure that it has gotten hot and the eggs should be done. So now it's time to take them off the fire. Now, once you do that, you're going to pour all the water out. You want all the water gone. And you're going to run cold water on them. Make sure the water is cold. That's going to help them to release as well. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to peel the shells off of these. That salt does wonders. Let's get into it. Now you want to run the cold water for about a good 1 minute, 2 minutes, not too long. Just enough so that way when you pick them up, you can handle them in your hand and they're not too hot for your hand. So those are fine. Let's get to showing you how easy the shell comes off. I'm getting ready to make some egg salad, so I wanted to create 2 videos in one. So when you crack it, you hit it on something and you just roll it in your hand like that. And look, the shell is going to nicely slide off. You don't have to worry about your egg ruining. It's going to nicely slide off. And that's how you boil eggs. Put salt in it, nice and simple. You don't have a ruined egg and you can make some nice beautiful deviled eggs that don't look like they were made by preschoolers. I hope this video was helpful. If so, put a thumbs up, share the video, and leave a comment below. If you have anything that you want me to share on this channel, make sure that you leave it below. Or you can also email me at CPR for the body. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. I'm still trying to get this schedule. I want it Tuesday, Thursday. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe Monday, Thursday, or Monday, Friday. We shall see. But share the channel, join the family, and I shall see you guys later, Gators. But stay tuned. I will be also having a great recipe on some great egg salad that is to die for. So see you in the next video. Later, Gators.